Here we are again in that thoroughly modern apartment. Regular viewers may remember it from a couple of years ago, when Mr. Things made a rather splendid table. No, you don't recall it? Well, there's a link in the description for this all-colour picture, and perhaps you'd better subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing. Anyway, despite their large collection of laser records, Mr. and Mrs. Things are getting right into vinyl, and for Christmas have bought themselves a turntable, but disaster! Nowhere to store the records, and this old crate will never do. It seems it's time for Mr. Things to return to the workshop again, and make something suitable. I need a bigger workshop. One that doesn't have bits of Volvo in it as well. That is my old desk, which is now going to become a record player cabinet. And it's all pretty much usable, apart from this bit, because it's got the hole in. I think there's enough in here for the whole thing, but I don't think there is, not quite. But I've got some more crap up there. First of all, let's cut this hole off. Didn't see me cut this, but that's an 18mm rebate across here, same on the other side, for this shelf to fit into.